Today we're showing you a 2009 John Deere 7230 tractor. It's a four-wheel drive tractor with cab, heat and air. Tractor has the 740 classic front end loader. Loader is self-leveling. This is a one-owner tractor. Comes off of a local farmer that was retiring. Front bucket has seen some wear, as you can see with the cutting edge. It's got the 6 and 700 series quick attach for your bucket connection. Front grill guard is there. Paint's nice on the tractor and loader. It's got 4 brand new Radial tires on it. We did do a little touch up on the loader brackets here. Two entry doors in the cab. And again, brand new tires front and back. The back tires are loaded. 540 and 1000 PTO, dual rear hydraulics. A couple scuffs back here. The tractor's got approximately 3,600 hours on it. Buttons back here for the 3-point. The fender here was scraped and bumped a little bit, which you can see. We did touch that up slightly as well. Tractor starts, runs, and works good. There are no known mechanical issues. Again, the loader brackets here, we did touch these up. There's had a little bit of paint peeling, so we did touch those up. Again, self-leveling loader. A little bit of damage here to the front fender. Inside the cab is clean. Tilt and telescopic steering wheel. Left-hand power reverser allows you to change direction without clutching. Air ride seat here for the operator. Joystick right here with an easy reach. 16-speed power quad transmission. Got 4 ranges and a 4-speed power shift within each range. Got your hydraulic and 3-point PTO controls all in the control console. Also have your climate controls and light switches to the far right. Radio is up top. As you can see, the tractor's clean. Again, it is a one-owner tractor. Local farm that had this. The farmer was retiring. We do take trades, also offer trucking and financing. If you have any questions regarding this unit, please contact us.